Rising income inequality in India. 12th January 2022. The situation in India is very bad in terms of income inequality. Leading economists also say that India is one of the highest income inequalities in the world. This means that the income disparity between the 1% rich people of the country and the 50% of the lowest income people is the highest in India as compared to the major economies of the world. It is the highest compared to the US, UK, China, Russia, and France. Income inequality in post 2014 India. Dependence on big businesses and privatization was increased to strengthen the economic front, the further increased income inequality. According to the latest report on income inequality in the world, India stands with a prosperous elite as a poor and very unequal country. Steady growth rate. The growth rate in India has been almost the same for a long time. This means that the situation of the lower 50% of the people remained the same despite the economic policies adopted. India's social conditions and constraint did not lead to increase in income. In the Nehru period and subsequent years, an attempt was made to establish a social democratic base, but it remained confined to some states. What do surveys and data say? A survey of 106 countries conducted in 2018 shows that secularism, which holds respect and tolerance for individual rights in a country, is the basic of economic growth. The central aspect of secularism is to separate religions from public life. India moving in the opposite direction. The current government's policy towards a one-side nation made up of people of one religion and one language can have serious economic consequences. The increasing income disparity is also giving evidence of this. The priorities and policies of government are breaking the social fabric. In 1949, B.R. Ambedkar had warned if we continue to turn away from social and economic inequality for a long time, we will destroy the structure of political democracy. Today, we are inviting the same threat. Based on Seema Chisti's article published in the Hindu, December 28, 2021.